Sparsh Shah, the boy who turned pain into power. Sparsh Shah was born on May 1, 2003, in New Jersey, USA. From the very beginning, his life was different from most kids. When he was born, doctors told his parents something heartbreaking. Sparsh had a rare disease called osteogenesis imperfecta, also known as brittle bone disease. This disease makes bones very weak and easy to break. In fact, when Sparsh was born, he had over 35 broken bones in his body. His parents, Hiren and Purvi Shah, were shocked and scared. They did not know what would happen to their baby. Doctors even said he might not live long. But Sparsh was a fighter right from the start. Living with pain as Sparsh grew older, he had to be very careful. His bones could break with just a small fall or bump. He couldn't run or play like other kids. He has had over 140 fractures in his life. He needs a wheelchair to move around and has had many surgeries. But even with all this pain, Sparsh always smiled. He once said, "Pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional." He chose to be happy, to dream big, and to inspire others. A love for music from a young age, Sparsh loved music. He started learning Indian classical music at age 6 and later became interested in rap and hip-hop. He especially liked the music of Eminem, a famous rapper. Sparsh couldn't move much, but his voice and mind were powerful. He began writing his own songs and poems. Music helped him express his feelings, his dreams, and his thoughts. It became his way to connect with the world. The viral rap star in 2016. Sparsh made a cover of Eminem's famous song, "Not Afraid." He added his own style and emotion to the song. He called it, "Pure Rhythm, Not Afraid cover." When he posted the video on YouTube, it quickly went viral. People around the world were amazed by this brave, talented boy. The video got millions of views, and Sparsh became a young internet star. He was invited to perform on TV shows, schools, and big events. People loved not just his voice, but his courage, confidence, and positive attitude. TED Talks and global stage. Sparsh didn't stop with music. He wanted to inspire people with his story. He began giving motivational talks. In his TEDx talk, he spoke about how people should never give up, no matter what problems they face. He said, "I might have brittle bones, but I have an unbreakable spirit." He also gave speeches at many places like schools, hospitals, and companies. Everyone who heard him felt stronger, more hopeful, and more thankful. Awards and honors. Sparsh received many awards for his music and motivational work. He was named one of the top 10 child prodigies in the world. He also got to meet famous people like India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi and perform at big shows like NBA games and cultural events. In 2020, he even sang a part of the theme song for the movie, Lakshmi, becoming one of the youngest Indian American artists to sing for a Bollywood film. The power of positive thinking. Sparsh always talks about the power of positive thinking. He believes that the mind is stronger than the body. Even though his body is weak, his mind is full of strength, hope, and dreams. He says that everyone faces problems, but we should not let them stop us. Instead, we should turn our pain into power and our weakness into strength. He also believes in faith. His family is very spiritual, and their belief in God helped them stay strong. Sparsh often says that God gave him a special purpose, and he is doing his best to fulfill it. A role model for the world today, Sparsh Shah is more than just a singer or speaker. He is a role model for millions of people around the world. He shows that no matter how hard life is, we can still rise and shine. His life teaches us many lessons. Never give up, even when life is painful. Believe in yourself, even if others doubt you. Follow your dreams, no matter how big they are. Use your voice, your talent, and your story to make the world a better place. Sparsh says, disability is not inability. You may have a broken body, but you can still have a powerful spirit. Final words. Sparsh Shah's story is truly inspirational. He proves that age, illness, or disability cannot stop someone who has a dream and a strong will. His journey is a reminder that life is not about what you can't do, but what you can do, with passion, courage, and hope. Sparsh turned his pain into poetry, his tears into tunes, and his struggles into strength. He may be small in size, but his heart and spirit are larger than life.